Welcome friends, and let's talk about the inheritance. One of the major pillar of the object-oriented principle. So as we know, the Java is a complete object-oriented principle based language. So here inheritance plays a very important role. By using inheritance, we will be able to reuse codes. Means once you return a code, you didn't want to change it, you can reuse it. And how we can reuse it? By using the concept of inheritance. So inheritance is basically a properties by which one object inherit the property of another object. So suppose in our example we have a class name person. Now suppose later on we were going to create a new class. That class name is employee. We know that employee should have a name, should have an age, should have a gender, should have an address. So employee can when we create this class, we didn't need to write all the code that we have already written in a person, because person also carry the name, age, gender, occupation, and many more things. So what we can do, instead of rewriting the code that we have written in a person, and instead of writing all the methods, public methods that we have written in a person again in an employee, why can't the employee can inherit all those properties from the person? So here we can say in these two classes, the person is filling one of the requirement, that is a requirement. So we can say employee is a person. Definitely, because if you are an employee, you are a person also. So employee is a person. So whenever this relationship is fulfilled, that means we are working on inheritance. So what employee can get from the person? Employee can inherit all the public properties. And second one, employee can inherit all the one more access modifier that I'm going to explain it now, that is the protected. So two properties can be inherited from the person. Employee cannot inherit the properties from the person, and these properties are private. So private properties are always private to this person class. So all the identifier access, all the identifier instance variables, and we know in a person we declare it as a private. These are not going to inherit. What are going to be inherit? Public. And if you specifically specified something protected as a modifier, that can be inherit by the child class. So employee is a child class. So child class, in for the child class, the protected access modifier will play as a public. And for the other class, those who are not inherited from the person, this protected will behave like a private. And in case of default, the rule will remain the same. The default will be employee can access the default behavior as per the rule of the package. So let's create an employee class in our next session, okay, and try to apply the rules of the public and protected.